Hey everybody, so this video goes through how to create a Google Tag Manager account. So right now, as you can see in the URL bar, we see tagmanager.google.com. And in relation to this Gmail account, there aren't any Google Tag Manager accounts. What you want to do when you get to this area is click on this Create Account button. Now let's go ahead and fill out our account name, test website, let's say in my case, country, Canada. Now, accounts, think of those at the top of a hierarchy, and underneath accounts, you can have many containers. So a container is where all of your tags, triggers, and variables will be stored. That's how you modify your individual websites. So let's try test.com. Now this is a website. It's a desktop website, so target platform in this case is web. I'm going to hit create. I'm going to accept the terms of service. I'm going to press yes. Okay. And that's it. We've created a Google Tag Manager account.